Module 8, Project Work and Real-Life Application. Welcome to Module 8 of the training program developed within Project 1011833056, Web in Tech. This is the final stage of your journey in the program. Up to this point, you have built strong foundations in digital empowerment, developed internet literacy and online safety, learned how to communicate professionally, mastered productivity and creativity tools, practiced self-learning, explored the link between digital and green transition, and gained essential employability skills. Now it is time to bring everything together and put your competences into practice through a project work and real-life application. This final module is not theoretical. It is your opportunity to demonstrate what you have learned and to experience how these skills can be used in real organizations with real impact. Why project work matters. Employers and NGOs that collaborate with Web in Tech told us clearly, they want candidates who can not only learn but also apply. Knowledge without application is limited. Skills become powerful when you can transform them into solutions for real challenges. This module is designed to help you test your competences in a practical context, gain real work experience through a short transcript or project assignment, contribute to the mission of an NGO or employer, build confidence and independence. Structure of the project work. Every participant in Web in Tech will be assigned a transship experience, a 1-month, part-time, flexible work placement within an NGO or partner organization. This can include both online and in-person tasks, depending on your needs and the organization's structure. During this time, you will be expected to complete a project work designed as a communication strategy or digital tool for the hosting organization. Examples of project work include creating a digital communication campaign using Canva, designing a website section on WordPress, preparing a set of social media posts, developing a spreadsheet to track volunteers or activities, designing a training presentation for future participants. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to demonstrate your skills, creativity, and capacity to contribute. Steps to follow. To make sure every participant succeeds, Web in Tech has created a structured path. Introduction meeting with the hosting organization, understanding their mission and needs. Planning, defining your project idea together with your mentor. Implementation, working on your project step by step using the skills learned in modules 1 to 7. Support meetings, participating in regular check-ins with Web in Tech trainers to share progress, ask for help, and receive feedback. Final presentation, sharing your project with peers, mentors, and the organization. Reflection and self-assessment. Throughout the project work, reflection is essential. Web in Tech encourages you to keep a simple learning journal where you write weekly notes about what tasks you completed, what challenges you faced, what new skills you applied, how you felt during the process. This reflection will help you see your progress clearly and will prepare you for future job interviews, where you can give concrete examples of what you have done. Deliverables. At the end of this module, you should have a completed project work, for example, a communication strategy, a digital tool, or a set of design materials. A final reflection document, My Empowerment Journey, Module 8, answering these questions. What did I create or contribute during my project work? Which skills from Web in Tech did I use most? What did I learn about myself? How do I plan to continue applying these skills after the program? A presentation, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva to show your work in a clear, professional way. Real-life application. The project work is more than an exercise. It is a chance to contribute directly to the mission of an NGO, gain real experience that you can add to your CV, build a portfolio of digital and creative outputs. Strengthen your confidence by proving to yourself and others that you can make an impact. Employers involved in Web in Tech will see your work as proof of your motivation and competences. This can open doors to volunteering, internships, or even paid jobs. Final celebration. At the conclusion of Module 8, Web in Tech will organize a final session, online or blended, where each participant will present her project to peers, trainers, and hosting organizations. This will not only showcase your work, but also create a space for networking and recognition. Remember, this is not a competition. It is a celebration of your growth, your resilience, and your empowerment. Closing. Congratulations! You have reached the final module of the Web in Tech training program. Over these weeks, you have overcome fears of technology, learned to navigate the internet safely, strengthened your communication skills, mastered productivity and creativity tools, discovered how to keep learning independently, connected digital skills with sustainability, built your employability, and now demonstrated your abilities in a real project. This is not the end of your journey. It is the beginning. The Web in Tech project was created to give you a starting point, but your future is in your hands. Take the confidence, the skills, and the experiences you gained here and continue to grow, to learn, and to lead. Final reflection. Think about the woman you were before starting Module 1 and the woman you are now at the end of Module 8. Write one last page for your My Empowerment Journey portfolio, titled Looking Forward. Describe your vision for the next year. What do you want to achieve? Which skills do you want to develop further? Which opportunities are you ready to pursue? Save this as your final entry. It will be both a conclusion and a new beginning. Congratulations again. You are now part of the Web in Tech community, a network of empowered women ready to shape the future.